up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Cheesy B, and if you're a returning subscriber watching my video, thank you so much for your support. Here is how you can achieve a simple summer makeup look. So if you haven't subscribed to my, what are you waiting for? Go straight and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment and share this video to your loved ones so they can know how to do their makeup. So let's go straight to the micellar water to clean my face.
Before I apply any product on my face, I like to clean my face because it's very necessary. When you clean your face and apply your product, it gives you that nice finished look.
The first thing I'm going to be upon my face after cleaning my face is moisturizer, to make sure that my face is well moisturized. I'll be applying this one first, then before this one. While waiting for my skin to absorb the moisturizer, I'm going to be doing my eyebrow with NYX pencil. So gently brush it up. Do the same thing on this side. I'm going to be using this concealer to clean my brow edges. I'm going to be using NYX face primer. I really like the way it helps my makeup to look flawless, and it's a good one. I'm going to be setting my face with NYX setting spray.
For my foundation, I'm going to be using NYX face foundation, which is called Blur, and I think this is warm caramel. And I don't like foundation directly to my skin. I like to apply it to my spatula first. Spray your brush first before you use it to apply your foundation, and make sure you blend it in on the spatula first before you put it directly to your skin, because it helps your makeup a lot. And blend it properly. If you're applying your foundation, make sure you blend it properly because it's very good. Make sure your skin absorbs the foundation because it helps your makeup a lot. It gives it that nice base and nice look. When you finish your look, you're going to like it. I'm going to be using this concealer to brighten under my eye. And while applying it, make sure you apply it a little bit out inner corner and the outer corner, and apply it all over the place that you know that it needs a little bit light. And spray your sponge first. It's very, very important to spray your sponge because you want your makeup to look flawless, give you that nice finishing look. So make sure you spray your brush because it's very, very important. When applying your makeup, it's good to spray your brush, your sponge, because it helps your makeup blend in nicely. For my face contour, I'm going to be using NYX contour to line my cheekbone, jawline, and my nose. It helps my nose really, makes it looks nice. And make sure I used my, what does it called? My foundation brush to blend it in because it's already dirty. So I don't want to stain on that brush. So I decided to use my foundation brush to blend in the contour because it's really nice. It helps, and it helps you not to use too much brush. So that is what I wanted to say. And I'm gonna be doing another video on a contour, how you contour your face, to lift your face and do other things with contour. Adding a little bit of blush to my face. Who not like blush? Who not like to add blush on your face? Make it tell me now. And I'm going to be trying out different types of products because I think when I do that, it's going to be nice. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm not going to be using one product for my makeup. So for my setting powder, I'm going to be using banana loose powder, and it helps my makeup. I like using this setting powder because it helps my makeup looks good. It helps my makeup looks good, and when you apply it, put it on your face and it's excess, you can easily use your brush, to dust the excess off, brush the excess off, and that is why I love it.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more.
For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using setting powder to set my face because it helps me to avoid falling out eyeshadow under my eye or to stain my makeup.
Applying your eyeshadow. Using setting powder and the concealer because it really makes my eyeshadow look.
For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this shade called Cocoa all over my lid because this is what I want. I want to do that first before I will do the crease and the outer line. So apply it all over and use clean brush to dust the excess off, to blend it in so you don't have a harsh line. Repeat the same thing on this side of the eye.
When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this.
I'm gonna be using this shade for my crease. So I want you guys to know that I added more eyeshadow shade on this eyeshadow, but I lost the video, so I don't want anything to stop me from posting this video. So that's why I decided to post this video. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna be repeating this video again. So dusting up my powders, the setting powder I use to avoid eyeshadow falling out under my eye or staining my makeup. So I'm going to be dusting it up.
I'm going to be using NYX eyeliner to line my eye.
For my powder blush, I'm going to be using H&M Purple Blush. I think that is what it's called. I'm going to be applying it on my face because it makes my makeup look nice and give you that nice finishing look. So as you can see, applying it already, and you can see how it's bringing out my face like sun kiss, and something that you can easily see.
Highlighter. I use it a lot on my video, and I love it because it gives my face that glow. I always like adding a little bit of highlighter here because it makes my eyeshadow, and between my eyeshadow and my eyebrow looks nice. So I like to do that. So I'm going to be using this lip liner to line my lip. I'm going to be using red. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to be using red lipstick. This is matte finish.
I'm going to be fixing my eyelash now, but before I do that, I have to apply my mascara first. Finishing this look with NYX setting spray. I like to use this setting spray because it makes my makeup last long. OMG, this look is given.
Here is the finishing look. So what do you guys think about this summer look? So if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, excuse me, go straight and hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and make sure you share this video to your loved ones so they can slay their summer. And thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on the next one.